So, good afternoon, my dear friends. I am here live so that I can have some talk with you people and share something. Tell me whatever your doubts are. Anything about homeopathy that you want to learn? Any doubt? Yes, Mr. Kalsaria, Nitun Mukhani, Care at JHH. Any doubts? Any doubt about homeopathy or practice that you have that you want to ask? Anyone? Dr. Sakshi. So let's talk about a case. I had a patient. तो वो बोल रहे थे कि डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को बहुत ऐसा कमर में दर्द होता है, ऐसा इधर नीचे दर्द होता है. शी वॉज पॉइंटिंग टू द एरिया ऑफ कॉसिक्स एंड ऐसा मैं उठती हूँ तो बहुत दर्द होता है. आई कैनॉट इवन सिट. ओके. एंड शी वॉज वेरी रेस्टलेस. So how you will prescribe for this type of case? Tell me. What are you going to search for? I have discussed this case today morning in the course. So what you will do, you will go to repertory, chapter back, and pain, coccyx. So this is coccygodynia, and you will find out that whether the remedies are there, what are the remedies, and then you will read those remedies particularly from back. In the every remedy you will go and read. So I had prescribed Amon Moor to her, and she is better with that. So in this way you can prescribe and you can be perfect in your prescription, and this can help your practice to grow. So tell me if any other questions you have about homeopathy that I can answer. Sakshi, Pallavi, Electron, or Vidhi, Chavi, Ritesh, Zara, Dr. Naveen, Dr. Divyesh. Good evening, Amrit. So any queries that I could help you? So Amrit, I'll invite you here. Miasm. Oh yes, very good thing. So if you see miasm is a very important part to prescribe. When you see a case which is very deranged and is having a pathology, and for example you see a case of gangrene, so for that patient to get better, you need to understand the pathology and the present clinical state. So present clinical state of that patient shows that the part is been gangrenous, foul discharge is there, and due to that he may land up into septicemia, or he may land into septic shock. So what is this type of state correlated to the miasm? And that type of miasm should be covered by your remedy. So this is, if it's a syphilitic state, you need a syphilitic remedy also concerned to that. so that your prescription could help the patient completely. Someone asked some question about only based on modalities and general can prescribe medicine. Yes. See, where there are various types of people and patients you get. Now, you get cases where there is nothing. वो पेशेंट आता है बोलता है डॉक्टर साहब देखो ये इधर है ना सफ़ेद चट्टे आ रहे इधर और इधर, तो आप बोलते हैं और बताओ और कहाँ पर है, तो ही इज़ नॉट एबल टू टेल एनीथिंग. तो आप बोलेंगे इसको तकलीफ क्या होता है, वो बोलते हैं डॉक्टर साहब बस खुजली आती है. सो देर आर विटिलिगो पैचेस ऑन this elbow and this elbow, both sides, and you didn't get anything further, no dreams, no fear, no modalities, no generalities. Now tell me, how will you analyze the case? You are only having the complaint. ते गावाकडचे पेशंट आहे, ते तुम्हाला एवढंच सांगणार आहे. वो गांव के पेशेंट है, वो आपको इतना ही बताने वाले. सो आप लोग तब क्या दवाई देंगे और कैसे देंगे, राइट में इन कमेंट्स. अनलेस एंड अंटिल इट बिकम्स इंटरैक्टिव, आई डोंट एन्जॉय इट. तो डॉक्टर उर्वी और थोड़ा बताओ इसके बारे में. अब इसको कैसे एनालाइज करेंगे. व्हाट रूब्रिक विल यू फाइंड इन रेपर्टरी फॉर दिस थिंग. व्हाट इज द पैथोलॉजी. वो सफ़ेद पैचेस आ रहे. सो व्हाट इज द रूब्रिक फॉर दैट. Anwar, Momin, our students, Amrit, tell, Dr. Suyog, you can answer here in comments so that everyone can learn. Basis of location, very good. I am Priyanka. Then Patel Vanita says based on diagnostic vitiligo, yes, very good. And now what should be your second rubric to analyze the case? Tell me. Electron, tell me. Or Vanita, Anwar, Momin, Monali, Naveen. What would be the second rubric that you take to analyze this case further? And so, what you will see, you'll specify the part. Vitiligo based on location and how it's happened. Yes, but we are having only the part here. Now see, you could take a rubric. Itching, yes, very good. Priyanka, onset, very good. So you could take a rubric where it tells us it is where it is symmetry. It is present on both the corners of the elbows, and you can take a rubric symmetrical. So you need a remedy which has complaints which are symmetrical. So where you will find this rubric? You will find this in Phatak repertory and also other repertories. So you need a group of remedies. So after this thing, you are up to a group of remedy. First you had the pathology. Second, you have some sort of clue. So from this clue, you can come to a group of remedies, and from that you can prescribe. So understand, your question was like कि कुछ तो है उससे हम लोग दवाई कैसे दे सकते. तो this was one of the example. Now other question is based on location. Yes, तो location पे base पे कैसा दवाई दे सकते. For example, you have psoriasis and psoriasis of scalp. What are the remedies? Tell me. 2-3 prominent remedies are there. Then psoriasis of lower limbs. What are the prominent remedies? Psoriasis of trunk, psoriasis of back, psoriasis of only upper limbs. So based on location, there are specific remedies. We are talking about how to analyze a case. It is not about specificity in homeopathy. It is all about individualization, and individualization by whatever means it is available. If you don't get anything in the case, you need to prescribe on whatever you have. Okay. So on the location, I was telling. Psoriasis. So psoriasis on scalp, what are the remedies? Tell me in comments. Amrit, petroleum for back. Okay. Puneet, Mansi, Suman, Hitesh, Monali. So one of the remedies are nitric acid, Ustilago, and then for lower limbs, especially when psoriasis is there on ankles and first finger of ankle, what is the remedy? Very interesting remedy. अच्छा, तो इस तरह से आप लोग लोकेशन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. एनी मोर क्वेरीज? ग्राफाइटिस और स्काल्प, वेरी गुड. Tell me more. Any more queries? Puja graphitis, Divya told. Any more queries we have? Aravind, Dr. Razik, homeo student. Constitutional medicine. How to open homeopathy wholesale medicine? No, I am not the person to answer it. क्या दवाई है? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेडिसिन. यस, सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेडिसिन is a prescription which you can do by innumerable things. First, by taking a good case, by analyzing the fears, the dreams, the stressful incidences, the reactions to it, and other is by observation. How is the person sitting? How is he talking? How is his talk? How are his hair pattern? How are his nails? How is his tongue? Then how is his way of talk? You can analyze all these things and analyze the constitution according to it. Then analyze the complaints, physical complaints, the pathology, and then analyzing the every symptom in detail. And then you could come to a group of remedies and then a perfect remedy called as constitutional remedy. All the mentals, physical, although I took all the case, I have a patient of swelling in right axilla. Should I consider rubric swelling right? You are in that only 3 minutes in there. No, see, you would go haywire if you consider small rubrics and there are only 3 remedies in it, and it should correspond perfectly to the pathology. Now, swelling in right axilla, what is the pathology there? Is it due to lymph node swelling, or is it due to some skin eruptions, or is it a pathology? So you should go for the pathology and then only take that rubric. Any miasm in chronic, whether mental should be considered? Yes, Rajna, the mental should be considered, because what has been the causative factor of this disease is very, very important. So a complete case is half cured. Okay, जब तक आप एक पूरा केस नहीं लेंगे तब तक पूरा काम नहीं होगा. इसीलिए आपको पूरा केस लेने पे ध्यान देना है. So all these things we are teaching in our repertory series. आप लोग जाके एक बार डेमो लेक्चर देखिए, आपको समझेगा क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, केस कैसा लेना है, केस को एनालाइज कैसा करना है, कौन सा रूब्रिक लेना है, क्यों लेना है, फिर कौन सा रेपर्टरी कब इस्तेमाल करना है, नेयर कब इस्तेमाल करना है, फाटक कब इस्तेमाल करना है, कंप्लीट कब करना है, और कैसे यूज़ करना है, मोबाइल का कब करना है, कंप्यूटर का कब करना है, और एनालिसिस कैसे करना है, कौन सा दवाई क्यों देना है, लाइव केसेस देखने को मिलेंगे. ये सब हमारे जो ऐप है होम्यो मॉन्क, उस पर हम लोग सिखा रहे हैं. So you can download and see. Any more doubts? If no, I could close the session then. Tell me. Sir, in case of gallstone, PCOD and lot of hirsutism, can we give two different biochemics like for gallstones and hirsutism along constitutional? See, if your constitutional is, you are confident that your remedy is perfect and आपको कॉन्फिडेंस कैसा आएगा, वो आप जो दवाई दे रहे हैं उसका एनालिसिस कैसा कर रहे हैं, उससे आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा कि मेरे यही दवाई से गॉलस्टोन भी ठीक होगा क्या और हिर्सुटिज्म भी ठीक होगा क्या. अगर आप ही कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है आपके एनालिसिस पर, तो फिर आपको जमेगा ही नहीं काम. इसीलिए मोर फोकस ऑन योर एनालिसिस, मोर फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू एनालाइज, हाउ आर यू एनालाइजिंग, व्हाई आर यू एनालाइजिंग, आप ये सिम्टम क्यों ले रहे हैं ये खुद को बताओ. बी justify yourself to your every rubric, every symptom that you consider in the case. जब तक आप जस्टिफाई नहीं करेंगे खुद को, तब तक आप फिर पेशेंट को जस्टिस नहीं दे पाएंगे. सो always see that whether this is correct, whether I should take, whether I should not take, whether I should take, whether I should not take, and then only it will help you. Hope this answers your question of giving, and only a single remedy helps. दो 3 दवाई देंगे तो आगे जो कचरा होगा वो आपको भी नहीं सुधरेगा जिंदगी में. एक दवाई देना, बढ़िया काम करना, पेशेंट भी ठीक होगा, आप भी ठीक होगे. Materia Medical Books for Beginners, Alan Skinot. More any queries? Anyone wants to join? Amrit, can you join? I will connect you here. What to give for right shoulder pain, aggravated motion with pressure, it is felt in muscles. Yes, so you need to diagnose first why is this shoulder pain and the modalities and the concomitants, and if you don't get anything further, you need to prescribe only on these symptoms. अब आपको इससे और ज़्यादा सिम्टम मिले, उनके मेंटल्स मिले, फियर्स मिले, जनरल्स मिले, तो यू नीड टू कंसिडर ऑल दोज थिंग्स. और अगर कुछ ना मिले तो यस, यू कैन गिव अ स्पेसिफिक रेमेडी फॉर राइट शोल्डर पेन. लखनऊ, मिस्टर लखनऊ. मेडिसिन फॉर ओबेसिटी, रूटा, क्या बोल रहे हैं. बैच फ्लावर आई डोंट प्रैक्टिस. So, any more queries? Okay, so work hard and study daily. It will help you to grow. Take small steps and count on yourself कि आज मैं क्या मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, बस इस पे ध्यान दो. ठीक है. अपॉइंटमेंट डेज इन जालना, मंडे टू फ्राइडे 11 to 6. Approach of homeopathy in SLE. So SLE is an autoimmune disorder, and whenever you want to treat an autoimmune disorder, you need a constitutional remedy. Only a constitutional remedy will help, not a particular remedy, not a remedy given on pathology. This will not help in this type of cases like SLE. Only a constitutional remedy which has been given considering the cause, the pathology. The app is HomeoMonk, HomeoMonk. Okay, bye bye. Best of luck.